Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely and easily repair a corrupted MySQL database using Stellar Repair for MySQL. This tool can repair damaged InnoDB and MyISAM tables without losing your data. So let's get started. Here I have a MySQL database named schoolManagement. When I try to open the tables, I get this error. This usually happens because of sudden shutdowns or system crashes. To fix this error, we'll use Stellar Repair for MySQL. Before we start repairing, make sure to stop MySQL in XAMPP. This is very important because Stellar Repair needs full access to the database files to work properly. Now, I will open Stellar Repair for MySQL. When the program opens, a window pops up asking me to select the database folder. I'll simply click Browse and choose my corrupted database folder. For XAMPP users, the database folder is usually in C drive. Then open the XAMPP folder. Inside the XAMPP folder, find and open the MySQL folder. Then open the data folder. This is where all your database folders are stored. Since we can't select the database directly here, just click OK, and then click OK again to continue. In this window, all database folders may be selected by default. Unselect everything and then select only the schoolManagement folder. After selecting the folder, click Repair. The repairing process has been completed. Once the scan is complete, Stellar Repair shows a preview of all the recovered tables. As you can see, tables like students, teachers, classes, payments, grades, and others are now visible. I can click on each table to review the records and confirm that everything has been successfully recovered. If everything looks correct, I move to the next step. Now, I simply click the Save button to export the repaired database. You can save directly to MySQL, as in SQL script, or in formats like CSV or Excel. I recommend choosing the SQL script option because it's the easiest to import later. The saving process is complete, and as you can see, the folder opens automatically. Here we can see all the recovered tables. This is how you can recover a corrupted database using a software called Stellar Repair for MySQL. To download the software, simply open your web browser and search for Stellar Repair for MySQL. You can also find the download link in the video description below. Thanks for watching.